In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to schedule a call inside Zoho CRM. It's super easy to do. First, log into Zoho CRM as you normally would. From the top menu, click on Calls. Next, in the top right corner, click Create Call. From here, select Schedule a Call. A form will appear where you can enter the call details. Start with Call For and choose who the call is related to, such as an account, contact, or lead. Then, fill in the call type, outgoing or incoming, and set the call status. Choose the call start time and select the call owner, either yourself or a team member. You can also add a subject for the call, set a reminder, and define the purpose of the call. If needed, you can add a call agenda for additional details. Once you've entered everything, click Schedule. You'll see a confirmation message that the call has been created successfully. Your scheduled call will now appear in the call list linked with the related record you selected. And that's it. That's how you schedule a call in Zoho CRM. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.